Welcome back to our channel. Let's do a quiz on volcanoes. What is this called? Mountain, volcano, hill. Volcano. What is the red hot flow called? Magma, lava, ash. Lava. What type of volcano is shown? Extinct, dormant, active. Active. What comes out with lava? Snow, ash, rain. Ash. What is magma called inside earth? Lava, water, magma. Magma. What shape is a volcano? Cone, cube, flat. Cone. What is a dormant volcano? Never erupts, sleeping volcano, underwater volcano. Sleeping volcano. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, share and subscribe.